Hello from Sola and from Tito. Come on up here, Tito. Say hello. Hey, they're hanging out with us today. I think they're just the cutest little characters ever. And I know you've really enjoyed meeting Sola and Tito in our great adventures in playing games. Now, what motivates you to accomplish a goal or complete a challenge? What's the difference between a goal and a challenge? What's the one thing that motivates us to accomplish either one of them? If you set goals and don't achieve the desired outcome, or take on a challenge and are not motivated to complete the task, you may be missing one important step in the planning process. So, which brings me to reason number 15 in the top 15 reasons why we learn music theory faster through play. I'm Gloria St. Germain from Ultimate Music Theory. And after years of successful teaching, professional development, study, and research, I created the Ultimate Music Theory program together with Sheila McKibben-Uren. And we've impacted thousands of teachers throughout the Ultimate Music Theory certification course and created the Ultimate Music Theory workbooks and the app program, and also the Ultimate Music Theory games with Joanne Barker, who is our game designer, and she's an Ultimate Music Theory certified teacher. And we want to help students learn music theory more effectively. So I'm really excited to share these must-have step-by-step strategies to teach music theory concepts in an engaging, fun, and memorable way. Now, one of the Ultimate Music Theory blogs written by Sheila McKibben-Uren inspired this single word solution. So here's why you learn music theory faster through play. Reason number 15, rewards. Now, there's two kinds of rewards. There's intrinsic rewards and extrinsic rewards. So intrinsic rewards give students personal satisfaction and are self-initiated rewards. Intrinsic rewards give students a feeling of pride and accomplishment or being part of a group. Extrinsic rewards are physical rewards, like getting a sticker for successful completion of an activity. Extrinsic rewards are external, and they come from an outside source, such as the teacher or the parent. So, why are reward systems important to successfully achieve a goal or complete a challenge? Well, reward systems improve effectiveness in attaining goals and help motivate students to achieve a high quality performance. Research studies show that feeling successful and appreciated is a key driver of student engagement. Reward systems can also enhance student motivation and reinforce the image of successful learning and achievement. Rewards like public recognition, having a reward board in your studio for those that can achieve certain goals or challenges often motivate students to focus and to do better. When do we receive a reward? Well, when we accomplish a goal or a challenge. So now what's the difference between the two, you might wonder? Well, some would say the difference between a goal and a challenge is that a goal is a description of a destination, and a challenge that is a measure of progress that is needed to get to the destination. So measurable goals give students a focus towards which they can aim and measure their progress. Challenging goals keep students interested and help avoid boredom and motivate students to reach their full potential. So, using the Ultimate Music Theory Party Pack enables you to do both. Achieve goals and create engaging challenges with the Sola and Tito reward stickers. So let's play. Sola challenges dynamics and Tito challenges counting inside the Sola and Tito song. So inside the Sola and Tito workbook is our Sola and Tito song. So Sola challenges the students to play with proper dynamics. We can see them in here, the dynamics. And Tito challenges the student to count out loud. So the goal as a teacher is to work with your student so they can earn one sticker from Sola and one sticker from Tito. And you can also create a sticker page for each student on the wall in your studio so that you can display their progress. So we have really cute, and these are actually included in your package. You actually get Sola and Tito stickers. They're cute little stickers and students can choose their own. Now, you can create the sticker page for each student and you can put that up on the wall in your studio so that they can display their rewards. So give students also an intrinsic reward. As Sola says that she heard you play your piece using the correct dynamics, and she heard beautiful forte on line 1 and a nice mezzo piano on line 2. Bravo! Now, this reward gives students pride and confidence. And we all benefit from intrinsic rewards, teachers and learners of all ages, because we love to feel pride in our accomplishments. Now it's time for the Sola and Tito wow stickers. Wow. Sola says you earned a sticker for playing with dynamics. This is an extrinsic reward, a physical reward the student gets as they pick a sticker presented by Sola or Tito. They can kind of help them pick. I'll try to be creative and just put it there. and that's, as I said, included in your sticker pack. So we want to celebrate accomplishments. Take a picture and share it with their family or friends. You can just email it or post it on Facebook so the student can announce, ask me how I earned this Sola and Tito wow sticker, because rewards are fun. How can you incorporate learning music theory faster through play? By engaging in reward-based goals and challenges. Now, in the Ultimate Music Theory Beginner ABC series, which is here, I'll move these little guys. I have so much stuff ready for you. In the Beginner ABC series, one challenge for students may be to read and follow instructions all by themselves, right? And by doing that, we want to celebrate. Another challenge may be playing each exercise that they write in their book. Theory games are not just on paper, but also played at the piano or whatever instrument you choose. So they can play their game and they can also learn how to hear what you see. And give your students time for play with challenges and goals and rewards, and see all that they are capable of when given the opportunity to learn through play. Now, this is our final video in the top 15 reasons why you learn music theory faster through play series. So now it's your turn. I have a challenge for you. My challenge for you is for you to get the Ultimate Music Theory Party Pack and start playing play-based learning games with your students using the prep game pack and the basic game pack and your Sola and Tito stuffies and using your dry erase whiteboard, and learn through play. And then go ahead and share with us, what have you done with it? What aha moments have you and your students had as you were learning through play? And I want to invite you to love, share, comment, subscribe, so you'll have access to all of our upcoming videos. And please join our Ultimate Music Theory Facebook group and become part of the UMT family. And go ahead and share your videos, share your stories, because we are a community of like-minded teachers, and we're all here wanting to have fun and, of course, encourage our students to learn through play. So as always, I will sign off with me, Sola, and Tito. Now, I'm really a Sola, and Sheila McKibben-Uren is really a Tito. And together, we teach with passion, and I hope you will too. As always, sparkle like a Sola. You guys did a great job. Wow, I'm impressed. Nice work, Sola and Tito.